Hello everyone and welcome to Suck Squeeze Bang Blow, or otherwise known as SSBB project. This is just a YouTube channel where I, as part of my hobby, buy and sell cars, tinker about with them. I currently do own a 1984 BMW E30, only a 318i. At some stage in the future I will be upgrading the engine, gearbox and all the good stuff. I also currently own a 1993 Rover Metro 1.4 GSI, and the first video on SSBB projects will be about the Metro. It is just cosmetic bodywork stuff that I'll be doing, some mechanical depending on how far I want to go with it. So yeah, feel free to subscribe, click the subscribe button, the little bell icon to get notifications when new videos are uploaded. And I do welcome any comments, criticism, constructive or negative, whatever it is, good, bad, ugly. I do plan on uploading videos as often as possible, and seeing how far we can go with all the different projects. So yeah, looking forward to the YouTube journey, and let's get on with it. In today's video we shall be starting on this Rover Metro 1993 1.4 GSI. As you can see, it has a lot of rust, mainly around the arches, the sills. That's very minor, that's easily sorted. So we shall be taking it apart and seeing how much work we have. Hopefully it's all just cosmetic, it doesn't look all too bad, so we shall try and make it as best as possible. And this is a DIY job, so do not expect top-notch results. Let's go. Here we have a bit more progress. I have removed the rear bumper, only 4 bolts, couple of clips, and it does reveal just a bit more work. Nothing too bad. Bit of sanding, it's not too bad. We have seen worse in other cars. That's just a bit of surface rust, we'll touch that up. So I will be taking the wheel off shortly, jacking the car up, and then seeing what else there is. Right, so the car is jacked up, safe and sound on axle stand, and then we can now see the extent of the rust, which isn't too bad. Most of that is just grime from the road, which will clean up nicely. This is still good metal, just needs a good sanding down, treating, bit of filler and painting. The rest of the car looks pretty decent, to be fair. Let's get on. Right, bit of an update. We have managed to grind away most of the under seal stone chip paint shit. It's not looking too bad. Few little rust spots which I shall touch up. The majority of it is literally just cosmetic anyway, so we shall get it looking nice, spick and span. Alright guys, yeah, that's it for the Metro for today. I've ran out of those sanding pads, the grinding pads, so I'm going to go buy some more tonight or tomorrow morning, and hopefully if I get a chance to resume the video tomorrow. Not sure what day this will be when you guys watch it, but it will be one of the days this week. So it is going to be a slow project. I do have other stuff I need to do on a daily basis. I do have a life, believe it or not. But yeah, so that's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and click the little bell icon to get notifications. And I'm looking forward to uploading the next video. Thank you and enjoy.